In this video, I will teach you about pass statement and where we can use it. In previous video, I will teach you about break and continue statement. If you want to see that video, so check our description. I can write a link here there. So if you visit our channel, you can see all of my videos and etc. In last of my video, I will end screen in my end screen. I will write playlist so you can see from here. So now I tell you about pass statement. What is pass statement? The pass statement is a placeholder in Python. It does nothing when executed, and it is often used a placeholder when you need a scientifically correct code but haven't implemented the actual behavior yet. It is useful in scenarios where you are defining class function or loops and plan to fill in the detail later. Now, now you know about pass statement. So now let's start with an example. It's an easy for a beginner to write a code. So now here I write this pass statement again. Another pass state definition. The pass statement is a placeholder statement when used when scientifically required but no code execution is desired. It allows you to create empty code blocks that can be filled in later. Now here I should write a code of pass statement that we can pass. So here count equal 0 if count equal 0 pass. Now here we don't know which is the pass stand for, what is pass mean. Oh, we don't know what we write, but we write later in here. So when I press run, it print nothing because it passes the if statement. Now this is my shortest video in my Python videos. So now here I should write a program. Here I should write this will answer the test. So when I press run, it gives error that we don't write this. So now I should remove this because an error pass. Press run. It doesn't give any error. It stops the error. It said pass. It's pass this. Now here we should create a program that you are designing a basic banking system. Create a Python class called blank count. Use the pass statement to define the class body temporarily. The class should have attribute count numbers and balance. So now we can create this program and inside we write pass statement. We do not know what we write here, what we write later. Now here I should remove this code and write class bank account. We will learn about class in our next of our videos. Here I should write pass. When I press run, it gives nothing is. When I press nothing is, there is no error because the sign of error is here. But we write when it pass, then nothing happens because now here I should do this right, paste this. What does that mean? This is a placeholder. You would define the class method and attribute here. So now it is passed. When we remove this and when we press run, it gives error. So now you know about, we write in class statement, in every statement we write pass. If you not to, we write pass. It doesn't give us error. So now you know about pass statement. Now you have learned everything that you should learn in pass statement. Now here's a programming task for you. Can you guess the output of write a function definition for a function that you intend to implement later, and use the pass statement to create an empty function body. This is an easy task for programming. We all write code like written before, but only we change the function. What is the in next video I will teach you about functions. So first you see next video. So now you can do this task. If you like our videos, so please like and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit bell icon. Because if you need some help from here and want to learn something new, so please visit our channel, Aware Production. We will teach everything to you. So if you need any help from us, so please comment us. We will always answer you. Thanks, Aware Production. Now you have learned everything that you should learn in pass statement. Now here's a programming task for you. Can you guess the output of write a function definition for a function that you intend to implement later, and use the pass statement to create an empty function body. This is an easy task for programming. We all write code like written before, but only we change the function. What is the in next video I will teach you about functions. So first you see next video. So now you can do this task. If you like our videos, so please like and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit bell icon. Because if you need some help from here and want to learn something new, so please visit our channel, Aware Production. We will teach everything to you. So if you need any help from us, so please comment us. We will always answer you. Thanks, Aware Production.